Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps. Today I'm going to share with you Hummer H2. The engine light came on and the code shows up P0153, which is related to oxygen sensor, and it shows bank 2 sensor 1, basically saying passenger side sensor is bad. The Hummer H2 requires 4 oxygen sensor, 2 upstream, 2 downstream, and it's only one is bad, the 3 are good. But I'm going to replace all 4 oxygen sensors, the passenger side upstream and downstream, on the driver side upstream and downstream. So I'm going to make it 2 parts. Part 1 will be the passenger side. This instruction will work with your Chevy, GMC, Cadillac and other cars, and the procedure is the same. It's very easy to do it, and I'm going to walk you through step by step. In case if you're interested what tools I use and what parts I have used, I'm going to list under my description. Please check it out, and let's get started. So this is how the Hummer looks like, and once I'm going to insert the key, and the engine light supposed to come on and it's supposed to go off after a few seconds. The engine light stays on. So I'm going to test with my meter. So we're going to plug it in. So if we read the codes, it says P0153 and it says O2 sensor circuit slow, response bank 2 sensor 1. This is the tool we're going to use with our oxygen sensor. This is a special tool. The way it works, the wiring goes inside of this, and then this gets mounted on your oxygen sensor, and then we crank it open. And as for tightening the torque, it says do the hand tight and then do the 3/4 turn. And this is how it looks, the upstream connector, and this is how it looks downstream connector. And then you need a ratchet, the extension and the sockets. That's all tools you need. This is the oxygen sensor, so I'm going to remove it. So this is the passenger side, and the O2 sensor is located. It's really easy. You can access through the wheel. You can go underneath, then you can do it. You put the socket in and you crank it open. It open now. So once you crack it open, then you remove the O2 sensor. And now we're going to remove the wiring. There is a clip which holding the wire. To open it, you lift it up or pry with the screwdriver, or you can do this. You turn around sideways, it will open up. Now we can take the wiring out, or the second option is just cut it open and put a new clip. And here is the connector. So this is the old one and this is the new one. So we're going to take it out, make sure don't touch it. And now we're going to take this one. We're going to insert it in. Once inserted in, then we're going to turn clockwise. So once we inserted the O2 sensor, we're going to do the hand tight. You don't have to force it. Once it's a hand tight, this is how it's gonna look. So once we're going to insert the socket, we're going to do the 3/4 turn. I don't have a torque specification number for your car. As the instructions say, you insert the socket, you do the 3/4 turn. After doing the hand tight, just like this, then we're going to do the 3/4 turn. So now we're going to plug in the connector. We're going to put that clip inside to make it secure. So this is the new sensor. We installed it upstream. The wiring of upstream sensor comes here, and then you lock it. And this is the clip, so that keeps in place. And that's the downstream. One is in front of the catalytic converter, and the other one is the back of the catalytic converter. We're going to change both of these. So I'm going to change my backstream the same way. So to sensor wiring, we're going to place it inside the clip and we're going to lock it. So this way it will be secure. So well done. So that's how it's easy and simple to change our oxygen sensor upstream and downstream on HUMMER H2. And I hope this video going to help you out. If it does help you out, please like this video and share. And please don't forget to watch part 2 on driver side, since I'm replacing the other sensors as well. Thank you for watching. I'm going to see you soon with the new videos. Bye-bye.